Hi Marion. So I got this drawing machine, and it's a mechanical drawing machine called a duograph, and it's made by a man called Joel Friedman in Portland. He made this all by hand. He used a laser, but he drew everything out, so it's all wooden gears and a fulcrum. And so the gears have different numbers of teeth. So what you'll do is we'll put a piece of paper on this base. We've got different gears set up, and we will turn the handle, which will rotate the base and articulate all the gears, and as we move through it, we'll be able to form different shapes. So what I want to start with is, let's take a look right here. The base has 60 teeth, and the wheel that I'm going to be turning has 30. Now the other wheel over here has 41, and that's just going to help create a slightly different shape. So we're going to see what happens right now when I put a piece of paper on and create our first sketch. Alright, here we go. Okay. Make sure we can see that. Alright. Get one piece of paper here. Put a piece of paper on the wheel. Just using a little tape to make sure it stays on. I'm going to set the drawing apparatus on the board. Okay, I'm going to switch the lighting up a little bit so hopefully you can see a little bit better. Alright, so now let me see if I can zoom in a little bit. Alright, so there's the duograph. Now the arm will swing back and forth. There's one piece that's fixed on the wheel, and the other piece down here, as you'll see in a second, will articulate back and forth. I'm going to open the pen and begin turning. So after a number of rotations, we can see we've got kind of almost two distinct shapes coming in here. There's some overlap, but the two distinct shapes come from the way the two pieces were put together. If you remember, I did a 60 on the base, and over here, the other one that is turning up against it, that is the fixed piece, is a 30. 60 and 30, they have a GCD of 2. They have a GCD, so 60 and 30 have a GCD of 30. I don't even know why I'm freaking talking. I don't need to talk. Okay. So let's see what happens now if we continue this all the way to the end. So I'm going to save that one, which is about halfway done.